Hi, friends, I will show you a special dish. 你好，朋友，我要做道特别料理。Stir-fried mud snail, vegetable and yuba. 清炒尼罗，油菜，腐竹。I bet you've never had this dish. 我猜你从未吃过它。It's go well with rice. 它非常下饭。It is a unique dish that is both flavorful and nutritious. 是一道有营养又美味的独特料理。I'll put the recipe at the end of the video and in the comment section. 我会把菜谱放在视频最后和评论区。We're going to use a special ingredient. 这是尼罗。Mud snail, a special kind of shellfish. It's mainly found in the eastern part of China, Japan and Korea coastal areas, and is not found in other areas in the world. 尼罗是一种特别的贝类动物，主要分布在中国东部、日本、朝鲜沿海地区，世界其他地区是没有的。Mud snail has rich nutritional value, rich in protein, calcium, phosphorus, iron and a variety of vitamins. Snail meat is very crisp. 尼罗具有丰富的营养价值，富含蛋白质、钙、磷、铁及多种维生素成分。螺肉非常爽脆。It has an oval shell with a large, thin and brittle mouth, which can be dislodged with a gentle bite of the teeth. So we don't need to remove the shell beforehand. 它的贝壳呈卵圆形，壳口大，薄而脆，用牙齿轻轻一咬就可脱落。所以我们不用事先去壳。这是用黄酒、糖、盐腌制过的尼罗。This is a mud snail, marinated in yellow wine, sugar and salt. Yellow wine marinade 30 ml. 黄酒腌制30毫升。Mud snail 100 grams, 尼罗100克，用清水把汤汁洗掉，这样吃起来不会很咸。Wash the broth off with water so that it doesn't taste salty. Vegetable oil 50 ml. 植物油50毫升。I like pure corn oil. It has a very light odor. 我喜欢玉米油，它的气味很清淡。在50克玉米淀粉中加入200毫升水，调成混合液体。Add 200 ml of water to 50 grams of cornstarch to make a liquid mixture. 这是事先用温水泡发的腐竹。This is pre-soaked yuba in warm water. Yuba, the bean curd, is a kind of Chinese traditional dried bean food. It can keep long-term preservation. It is a Chinese plant hard cheese, has a strong bean flavor, rich in protein and a variety of nutrients. 腐竹是一种中国传统干制的豆制食品，可以长期保存，是华人的植物硬酪，具有浓郁的豆香味，含有丰富的蛋白质及多种营养成分。We cut the chopped and washed vegetables into small pieces. 我们把洗干净的菜切成小段 ，about 1 inch in length， 大约1寸长。Finely slice the ginger， 把姜切成细丝。生姜有促进食欲、活血的作用。Ginger promotes appetite and activates blood circulation. Eating a small amount of ginger every day can boost our immune system. 每天吃少量生姜可以增强我们的免疫力。Ignite the stove. 点燃炉火。Add oil. 加入油。With the pot, let oil wet the pot around. 晃动锅，让油浸润锅四周。Add half of the cut ginger. 把切好的姜放一半进去。马上倒入油菜。Pour the rib immediately. Stir fry a few times. 翻炒几下。Then add the yuba. 接着加入腐竹。炉火不要太大，避免炒焦。The stove should not be too hot to avoid burning. Add the mud snail. Only need 10 seconds stir fry. 只需炒10秒钟。倒入黄酒汁。Pour in the yellow sauce. The sauce has salt, sugar also. 黄酒汁里已经有盐和糖了。最后加入玉米淀粉液。Finally, pour in the cornstarch liquid. When the soup thickens and bubbles, immediately turn off the stove. 当汤汁变浓、冒泡，马上关掉炉火。Serve the stir-fried dish into a plate. 把炒好的菜盛入盘中。Place the remaining ginger shreds on top. 在上面摆上剩下的姜丝。This way, there are more layers in the taste. 这样口感上有更多层次。这样一盘香气扑鼻的炒菜就做好了。This plate of fragrant stir-fried dish is ready. If you don't have mud snails, you can also use small sea snails or mussels instead. 如果你没有尼罗，也可以用小海螺或者贻贝代替。在炒的过程中一定要注意火力不要太大，翻炒要快速。During the frying process, be sure not to use too much heat, and stir fry quickly. 这样炒出来的青菜才会清脆。The vegetables stir-fried in this way will be crispy. 腐竹很软，味道清淡。Yuba is very soft and tastes light. 尼罗鲜味十足，很嫩。Mud snails have a delicious and tender taste. Friends who have never tried this method before must give it a try. 没吃过这种做法的朋友，一定要试试啊！ Dear friends, please support me more. Subscribe to my channel and help me complete 1,000 subscriptions. 各位亲爱的朋友，请多支持我，订阅我的频道，帮我完成1000个订阅。配料 recipe。Thank you watching. See you next time. 感谢观看，下次见啊！